Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're drawing a gerbil. So if you know what a gerbil is, it's kind of like a mice-like creature kind of, and sometimes it lives in the deserts and other environments. So let's get started. So first we're going to start with the face. So we're going to just do a curve and then some fur like that. And then we're going to come up, do a swirl for the ears, and then come back up and do another swirl. Then we're going to bring up more fur for the top of the head, and then for the other ear just do curve like that, and then another just like that. And then we're going to draw like the base of the body kind of like on the edge, and then we're going to go back here and then draw another curved line, come back here again, and then go and stop. So we're gonna go back to the face. Let's add some fur kind of here, and then we're gonna do the nose. So just do kind of like a bunny's nose kind of, and then go down and do kind of curved sad face kind of. I mean, like, have you seen a gerbil smiling? This is kind of like a realistic one. So like, if it smiles, then that's gonna be weird. And now we're gonna add the whiskers. Like that. And we're gonna lightly just do like that, do some fur there. Now we're gonna go back here and do a little black kind of for the eyes. I mean, for the other eye, just do like another weird shaped kind of, shape. We're actually gonna do one in the corner. So we're gonna cover this, that was a mistake. Okay. Gonna color. Like that. I mean, for gerbils, I actually think that gerbils are kind of like hamsters with long tails, because gerbils have long tails, like, and then we're gonna stop there. You see, it kind of looks kind of fat, but you see at the end. So we're gonna just do some lines there. Okay, now we're gonna do the hands. So just draw curve and a curve, then go and draw fingers, just like that, and then do the same thing on the other hand. And then draw little claws sticking out from 3 of the fingers. Okay, now we're gonna do the legs. So come up here, do a curved line down, and then do toes. Come back up, do the line, leave a little space, and then we're gonna do the other feet, just like that, and then do the nails or claws again, and then we're gonna come up here, do some shades and fur, and then we're gonna lightly do kind of a belly kind of, go from the hand like that. And then for the tail, do just a long kind of mice or rat-like tail, but it's not like radish kind of, because it's furry and rats are like kind of naked tail. And so we're just gonna add some detail here and there. And so that's it, guys. You can color it like however you like any colors, like rainbow, brown, or anything. So I think that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, subscribe, leave a like down below, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.